Welcome back to the Backyard Homesteader. Today we're going to thank the Rhodes family for, listen, I just went to Roots Refuge Farm. The Rhodes family was there. We wouldn't even have that opportunity if it weren't for Justin Rhodes and Abundance Plus. Don't go away, we'll be right back. All right, so today is going to be a little bit of a different video. First of all, happy Thanksgiving. This video should be coming out on Thanksgiving morning. Hopefully, you know how it goes with video and uploading, or maybe you don't. Let me just tell you, you never know for sure. Things happen all the time. It's a great lesson in learning to shift and adapt and all that good stuff. But if you're truly doing something that you're passionate about and that you love, you find a way, don't you? And that leads me right into Justin Rhodes, and what an amazing example of a human being that man is. First of all, I'm going to show you a picture right now. Just hang tight. I'm not sure where it's going to be, up, down, around. I don't know. It'll be on her somewhere. This is a picture of me attending the very first live when he rolled out Abundance Plus. I was so excited to be a part of that, and I am so proud of what he's done with it. He's truly made a masterpiece. And there are some of you out there, I don't believe it's any of the subscribers I have. I'm a itty bitty channel, so I have really awesome people that I've come to meet on YouTube, and I'm so thankful for you. But here's the deal. Justin Rhodes is not only a great businessman and father, but he cares about each and every one of you. And everybody that works with him, for him, around him, his entire family have the same philosophy, and they're just good, solid people. So while you'll see some comments out there about certain things, just know that those negative Nellies, they are just that. And pray for them. Just pray for them that they'll find joy, love, and peace in their life, because there is absolutely nothing negative that I could ever say about Justin Rhodes and his entire family. So I just had to make this video. You're going to watch along. You're going to see the family there on Roots Refuge Farm, and some footage of, actually I wasn't able to get Lily in the picture because there were so many kids there enjoying the moment. But just know that I saved that footage for this video because Jeremiah brought the horses for Lily. So come along and just take a look at my little journey with the Rhodes family.
There's seats down here. There's some seats.
Uncle Justin.
Hey.
Say hi.
Am I in the vlog?
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Of course you're in the vlog.
Yay!
Rebecca Henry. Henry, can you say hi to me now? Yay! Where's your cup?
Just a shot of that.
Where's your cup? Huh? Rebecca says, don't
Sometimes
start.
he'll go.
Don't start.
just come over here and I'll let you get in. Here. Someone back up and let her get step up. Not behind you, that way. Alright, come up here, step up to here. Alright, hold your hand flat, completely flat. Don't pull your fingers. Here, Musk, over here. Still fine, don't move. Hold it flat. Back up, you're
Aw, nice.
Back up. Yeah, he uses his lips.
He just goes out there.
He's the most stable horse I have. She's very stable too, but she's a lot older.
That one is more festive.
Yeah, she's young and unbroken. I can do anything with him. See how much skittish she is? She's just not broken.
And they come out that way.
Oh, you got one right here. So look, right here. Boston, right here.
That's a good start.
Because I'm from California and I know that I'm on 6.
Is that cow?
They think they're getting something. They're not getting something. The guy that I got him.
I know right
But he's coming to get a
I had a
treat.
very good friend that lives in my house. Is it
One of those steers.
That's mom.
Steers are up there.
You gonna milk them all?
Hey, Mama, the thing dropped it and dropped it.
Hold on.
I'm morning.
I'm not the greatest at like having my camera ready. I like to live in the moment, but like I'm trying to get better about taking pictures of the moment.
Gabriel, you're not a horse.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
Gabriel.
Okay, here, you hold up.
Gabe. Gabe.
He's like,
Hey, Gabe.
Don't move, don't move.
Hey, buddy.
Fine. You gotta stay still.
Hey, how you doing?
Stay flat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't move. He ain't gonna bite you. He's gonna lick you with his lips. Flat.
using it with your lips.
Do you want a pet? See, this one smell
He
like
said, I kind of like a treat, but Dad said no.
I love that one of the kids was like, can we put this in the garbage?
Aw, how sweet.
See the Mustang?
It is sweet.
Hey,
Try
Gabe.
the Mustang. Here, look. Right here. Right there. Get it. Don't move. Look, look.
Scared?
Hold it underneath his mouth. Don't be afraid. Honestly, the worst thing you could do is
Yeah. Yeah.
When the kids are done with their turn, can I have a
dominate. Their psychology works with dominance.
Yep.
So if you dominate
Yeah,
them,
he just uses his lips. He was so
you
good.
be afraid and they dominate you, then they think they're ahead of you, that's when they start.
You gotta have it like flat like this. You gotta have it flat like this, Mama. Mama, you gotta have it flat like that.
Grandma, can I feed him one?
I'm gonna feed it.
We had one, and we had a big oak tree, and my mom's husband,
Alright, see if we can get one over there.
my mom's, I will hold it. With some treats. My mom's husband had a carrot in his back pocket, and he forgot. And so the horse was chasing him around the tree.
Trying to get the carrot.
And yeah, and he's like, you know, he's not usually scared of anything, this guy. But okay, you're gonna do one, okay. But I actually saw fear in his eyes for the first time, and I was like, "There's a carrot in your pocket." And he
He
was
licks my finger.
I know, she does that.
I had it flat, I swear. Okay, let's try again. Come here, Nibbler.
Look, it's right here.
Nope, you don't get a bunch. Get one. Get in the air. Just carry them in the air.
He's like, I want the Here you go.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
get it, get it, get it.
I wonder if there's something on my hand. Here, I'm gonna give it to you. Maybe
They get used to you just like, you almost like push it in for them.
Yeah.
Like my hand. It's like,
But see, that's, you get used to it
Yeah.
and then
I
you
might
just
have-
naturally do it.
I might have some like
Good
someone
job,
says that they
Pascal.
don't land on my hand.
Good job.
It's all been you.
Aw.
That's
He's like a chipmunk. Jeremiah, he's got him saved up.
Yeah, but you're eating on his arm.
There's a bull. Yeah, he's back there. He's actually pretty docile.
Yeah?
No, he doesn't have horns. That was a
hornless. I can see out of it like this, like that.
Where'd your papa go?
You guys live around here?
California?
Oh, are you?
That's my sister.
Hey, we used to live in California, now we moved to Texas.
Texas.
Oh, no, I love Texas.
Do you?
Everybody's so nice here.
Yeah.
Right.
She's like 9.5.
Okay, wait a minute. Sacramento. Hey, Gabriel. Whoa. Hey.
Okay, Mama. Oh my goodness, there's red ants on him. I mean, there's ants on him. Yeah, they're just crawling up him.
You leaving? Nice to meet you.
Right?
Alright, let's lift treats. Watch out.
Lots of square, all right.
We don't have enough dresses. It's gonna be my home.
Oh!
Bad home. It's only a sweet little doors. Not good. Yeah. Oh my goodness! It was like right here. He went like. Whoa!
Thank you so much for sticking around and watching all my little videos leading up to my trip to Roots Refuge Farm and then all the ones after that. I felt like there needed to be each and every one that I did. So I didn't want you to miss out on any of the pieces, and there were separate little pieces that were important. So thank you for that. If you've just come in on this one and you haven't seen it all, I'll put a link in the description for the playlist for Roots Refuge Farm. I might have to make a second one just for the farm visit. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, thank you so much. It was a trip of a lifetime for me. I would not have been able to do it without my sister. Now, I have been a member of Abundance Plus, the premium Abundance Plus monthly, since day one, but I was not a lifetime member. My sister joined when Roots Refuge had their special. I don't remember exactly when it was. It may have been like June-ish, somewhere thereabouts. And she joined as a lifetime member, and I'm her plus one. And wow, how lucky am I that I was able to join that. But I just want you to encourage you to invest in your homestead. I think for premium, it's $26 a month. At least that's what I pay. I don't know. It may be more now. There may be other plans, maybe less expensive. I just know that I want to support this family. This family does so much for our community, and Justin continues to bring on other families onto the channel. And let me just tell you, if you haven't seen their story, you've got to see their story to understand where they came from and how hard they've worked to get where they're at. You know, sometimes people come into somebody's life when things are going good and they haven't seen the hardship that it took to get there. Nobody gets where they're at when they're successful and things are going well without a long journey ahead of it or some hardship along the way. So give him some grace, for goodness sakes. He's a human being who took controversy and, you know, they were dumpster diving for food, guys, and look at where they're at now, and be happy for them. Listen, we have to be in the spirit of serving others and loving others, period. If you're not in that mindset, you're not going to get your heart's desire. All the negativity, all the comparisons, all of the, you know, envy, whatever it is, let it go. Just be genuinely happy for anyone around you that has had success, because just know that it took a lot of hard work and hardship for them to get where they're at. Thanks again, guys. It's been a blast. I appreciate you. And yeah, stick around if you don't mind. Listen, I enjoy my little backyard homestead, and Justin Rhodes was the one that convinced me that I am a homesteader, even in my backyard. So don't let anything stop you. And even Jess told you, yeah, don't let your age. Listen, I'm gonna be 61 in January 1st to be exact. And I'm not gonna have a large production by any means, but I do everything that I love doing in my backyard, period. I get so much joy from my garden, and you can too. So peace. Until next time. Bye now.